Okay, what's going on? Good afternoon, 701. Hopefully you are able to view this video. I hope the internet is up and running. Um, yeah, I hope the internet's up and running. You're able to look at me present this to you. I'm in Brooklyn, sharpening my saw, learning how to master the Danielson rubric. You Google that and see what that is. I need to go home because it's late. It's actually 10:17. Monday. If you don't believe me, you see that it is 10:17 on Monday, and I'm still here for all those who think that I don't take my job seriously, and I probably work harder than you, and I have an education. All right, but anyway, I want to talk about you should have your exit tickets and your synergized paperwork in front of you. If you don't, please somebody hand those out. They're in front of the room. First thing we want to talk about, but I'm not going to go in it too much, is the exit ticket. I'm not sure how many of these problems we've done, but I would say maybe close to 100, if not 100 yet. And I'm still getting answers that don't make any sense. We have to move on from this. We can't stay on this forever. But I will say that the setup you should know. It doesn't change. You just have to know what to look for. The videos are on your Edmodo. Okay, so we should just explain the setup. All right, Mario wants to buy a jet ski that has a price tag of $1,225 on it. He gets a 23% discount. How much would he end up paying for the jet ski? So what do we know? If it has a price tag, then that's original price. Our formula is percent over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. That is our formula, and you know that you get points for that. So that's step one. Two is our setup. We know 100% stays the same, and 100% needs to line up all the time with the original price, which is $1,225. We get a 23% discount out of the 100. 23% will be taken and discounted, and we don't know what that is. Two questions. How much will he end up paying for the jet ski? That's one question. And how much money does he wind up saving for the discount? How much does he wind up saving because of the discount? There's two questions, and yet from some of you, I'm still only getting one answer. Two question marks means I need two answers. Okay, so we don't know the discount in money. We know it's 23%, but how much is that in money? Third step, cross multiply. Do our x's first. 100x equals 100 times x equals 100x. And that equals to whatever 23 times 1,225 is, which is 28,175, comma here. All right, oops, yep, comma right here, 28,175. So now this is the equation. When I say equation, that third box, that's all I want is this right here. Don't go drawing lines and try to cancel anything out. That's the equation. Now step 4 is when you cancel out the coefficient. Excuse me, the handwriting, I'm kind of tired. So now I cancel out the coefficient, divide by 100, that crosses out, divide by 100. I could use my rule, find the decimal, move it over twice, and I have 1x is equal to $281.75. What does this answer equal to? Plug it back into your proportion. If you did that, you would know that this is equal to your discount. So that's your discount. So automatically you know how much money does he wind up saving because of the discount. He winds up saving this right here. This is the discount. Label your answer, discount. And now, how much will he end up paying for the jet ski? Well, if it was originally $1,225.00, he saved this right here, so I could just take that amount away. $281.75. Then that means he winds up paying, let's subtract that. I get, I think, 25 here. I got to borrow from the 4, give that to him. That's a 9, that's a 10, that's 5, that's 2, that's 3. Can't do that. Let's borrow from him, make that a 1, that's a 12, that's 4. Can't do that. Borrow from him. That's an 11, and that's $943.25. Easy money. You guys just don't pay attention. Okay, so now that was the exit ticket yesterday. Now let's go here. This is very interesting. Let me get rid of all this garbage right here. So this was just synergy right here. And you guys went totally crazy when you saw this problem, some of you. But I did a video just on this, and you guys don't pay attention. But hopefully after time doing it, you'll see. Some of you were putting percent over 100 equals part of a whole. That's a no-no. Nowhere in this question are you looking for any type of percentage. Let's read the question. A Xerox copy machine can produce 112 copies in 84 seconds. Just by reading this, when they give you this information, you should know that it's a rate type of question. What is, misspelled, the average rate of speed per copy for this machine? And then round to the nearest whole number. Use your answer to complete this table. So first thing, my units, copies and seconds. I said this in my video. So 112 copies in 84 seconds. Okay, cool. So now I want to know my average rate of speed. That means that I want to know how many copies can be made in 1 second. And I don't know that, so I'm going to put an X. That's my setup. I'll cross multiply, do my X's first. 84X is equal to 112 times 1, 112. That's my equation. Now, let me copy the equation again so I can cancel out my my coefficient. 112, 84, 84, and this, when we divide, is equal to 1.33, which rounds to 1. 1 what? So X equals 1. But 1 what? Let's plug this back into for X so we know why we found it. So this is 1, but 1 what? I got copies on bottom, so this is 1 copy. So 1 copy every 1 second. So now that is my unit rate. 1 copy every or per 1 second. So that means in 1 second I make 1 copy. In 36 seconds I should do 1 times 36. That equals 36. Same thing here. 1 times 48, which equals 48. So this would be 65 and this would be 93. Simple as cake. Once you find your unit rate, which is 1 copy per second, to find any other seconds, all you do is multiply. The 1 becomes your multiplier. I know I went kind of fast, but look at this video over and over and over again because it's very easy, and it is 10:27, and I still have the beautiful wife at home, pregnant, 7 months pregnant, all by herself, but I'm still here, focused, because 1 day away from you is like a week if I just leave you alone, and you can't escape me. I'm here, Mr. Robinson. Even when I'm not here, I'm here. Math So Easy. Please work on your synergy project. You don't know how to do everything, but do what you can, and I'll probably send you another video to help you figure out what you don't know. But once again, it's a unit rate table. Don't get it twisted. It looks complicated, but it's not. I'm out.